Welcome to our channel dedicated to promoting natural wellness. Today, we will share an incredible juice recipe that can help you reverse high cholesterol levels naturally. Cholesterol is a fatty substance found in your blood and is vital for many bodily functions. However, when the levels become too high, it can lead to serious health problems, especially concerning heart health. We have a simple and delicious solution to help you reverse high cholesterol, a powerful homemade juice that targets cholesterol levels effectively. Juice recipe. Here are the ingredients you will need to make this cholesterol-reversing juice. 1. 2 medium-sized apples. 2. 1 large beetroot. 3. 1 inch of fresh ginger. 4. 3 stalks of celery. 5. 1 medium-sized lemon. Now let's move on to the preparation. 1. Wash all the ingredients thoroughly. 2. Peel the lemon and ginger. 3. Chop the apples, beetroot, celery, lemon, and ginger into smaller pieces. 4. Add all the ingredients to your juicer or blender. 5. Blend until you obtain a smooth and consistent juice. 6. Pour the juice into a glass, and it's ready to be consumed. Benefits of the juice. This juice combines the powerful properties of apples, beetroot, ginger, celery, and lemon to provide incredible benefits for your cholesterol levels and overall health. 1. Apples contain fiber and polyphenols that help lower LDL, bad cholesterol levels. 2. Beetroot is rich in nitrates, which help improve blood flow and lower cholesterol. 3. Ginger has anti-inflammatory properties that can reduce cholesterol and prevent plaque formation. 4. Celery contains a compound called phthalides, which can lower cholesterol. 5. Lemon is known to flush out toxins and improve heart health. By regularly consuming this juice, you can support your body in fighting high cholesterol naturally and promoting a healthy heart. Maintaining healthy cholesterol levels is crucial for overall well-being, and this simple juice can be a fantastic addition to your daily routine. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more natural remedies and health tips. Stay healthy, stay natural.